of grapes in the garden. He was very happy. And you know, happy means excited to see the grapes. The grapes were very high. The fox jumped again and again, but could not reach the grape. At last, he was very tired. He walked away and said, "The grapes are sour." Thank you.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.